We got the boss here. We got a little turkey here too. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today me and Dean are back in Mexico tuning 94 Z28. We was hoping to put the Mickey Thompsons on this one, but for some reason the wheels are just a tiny bit different. We couldn't get them on, so we had to use his, so he still didn't have great traction. We've already done the tuning. We got the car down, you'll see the numbers. We didn't get it as fast as we'd like it to be, but it's really hot out here today and real humid. So for the temperature, I think we did pretty good.
Just hit the red button, right?
Okay, so we're gonna look at the first run Dean made. So we'll just start it right here. I just want to see how rich it is. I want to see where it's shifting at, and I want to see what the timing is. Okay, so the fuel's not too bad right there. Okay. So 5400, we got 37.9 degrees timing, which is about what we want. The air fuel's a little on the rich side, but it's not actually that bad. Might be able to take a little bit out. So we want to see where she's shifting. Okay, she went to 57.79, and it got real rich there for some reason. It must be getting ready to shift. Yeah, that's where it shifted. So when it settles back down, we'll see what the fuel's at. Okay, she's 12.5 for the fuel. Sparks 33, which is good at that RPM, I think. The fuel's not far off, so I probably ain't gonna be able to take much out. Now 4900, it's got 37.2 degrees timing, which is plenty in my opinion. She's at 38 degrees timing. It is a little rich, 12.17. So it made the 2-3 shift around 5700. 5720, and it was at 11.98 on the air fuel ratio, so it's quite rich there. But it's at 38 degrees time. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to bother with the shifting. She's pretty well where we want it. It wouldn't hurt to go a little higher in second gear, which we may do before we're done here, but the fuel's where we got to concentrate on right now. Open up VCM editor. I don't think this is coming off very good on camera. It looks like I can see a lot of lines going. On our engine. Fuel, power enrichment, EQ gas, EQ ratio gas. So I think I'm not gonna start taking it out to about 3600 up. We're going to remove 1%, so we'll times that by 0.99, and that should take out 1%. So we'll save that, flash it in the car, and we'll try it one more time, and then we'll see where she's at. Okay, so here's the second run. We're gonna see what she did. Okay, now down low, the fuel's right about where we want it. 3,000 RPM. She's getting right on the verge of being lean. It's 13.12, but it should come down as the RPM comes up. It is. 3,600 is 13. So we're not going to be able to take much fuel out of her. 4,200 is 12.8, so that's plenty lean enough. As far as spark goes, it could possibly use more spark down low, but without a dyno, you really need a dyno to know for sure if it's going to make more power or not. And I don't like to go too much higher. Now 5,000 RPM, he's at 12. I'm going to back it back down to 4,000 just to... I wasn't paying real close attention here. Okay, 4,800 is 12.8, so we don't want to touch that. We don't want to go no more leaner than that. But when it hits 5,000, it looks like it's getting a little rich again. Anyway, at 5,000, it's got 37.5 degrees timing. That's plenty. So let's see where she shifted at. 5,200, it can lose a little fuel. 5,400, 5,600. Yeah, once she gets above 56, she gets a little rich, but it's almost time to shift. So let's see where she shifts at. Okay, I think it shifted around 57.47. That's the 1-2 shift. We'll see where the 2-3 shift is. Oh. Yeah, I hit the wrong button and reset it here, but then we'll get her going again. We're now in second gear. Fueling's good. Starting to get a little richer around 4,400. $5,000 is where she starts getting. We can take some out above 5,000. 38 degrees total timing. I think that's plenty. I don't really want to add more. Another thing I want to look at is where the injector duty cycle is. Rich above 5,000. Okay, so she went 5,700, the 2-3 shift, and injector duty cycle is now at 68%. So he's got a lot of overhead now. Total timing 38 degrees, which is where we want. So I think what I'm going to do is just take a little fuel out above 5,000, and I might see if I can bump them shifts up just a little bit. Fuel, power enrichment. Now we're just gonna go okay, 4,800. So 4,800 up. We're gonna remove 1 more %. 0.8 0.99. We'll times that with 0.99. And that just takes out 1 more percent. Then we're going to go under trans, shift scheduling. Okay, I don't think I want to bother the mile per hour because that sometimes screw things up. We're going to go RPM here. So I'm just going to bump these up by 50. 57.50. 57.50. It's just them two that need to be changed. Check, make sure. See, I could add 1 mile per hour up in here. That would definitely make it shift higher, but sometimes it'll screw things up and go and hit the rev limiter. I think we'll leave her at that for now. We'll try that out. I'll save that and flash it in and we'll give her another try. Okay guys, so we didn't get the numbers we wanted, but for the heat, I think we did pretty good. We did a little bit of tuning. It still needs a little more, but it's too hot. The car's acting funny. I'll make one change and it doesn't actually do what I want it to do, but I'm going to study the logs here and we'll figure something out. But I think once the cooler weather comes in, we'll get this thing back into the 12s. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.